Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm playing some Slime Rancher. Okay, so okay. It's not different because I usually film on my phone, but I finally figured how to do it on my laptop, so I'm playing some Slime Rancher. The graphics might be bad, but they work, and yeah. Make it day 5 before I stop recording. That sounds good, right, guys? Oh, that's good. That's those, don't I? So, I hope you enjoy the new series. As soon as I get a new laptop, I can start doing Arc again, if you guys want that. But, see how many phones we can make. Just a 250, so make one. Okay, movie inside the right. Come here. Take the paper. So, hope you enjoy it. This is just an episode to see if you guys like it. And if you guys do, well, might record more. And I only have 13 subs, which is so great. But none of them are probably gonna watch this, but who cares? Hope no one cares, anyway. Let's make some cash. Okay, 70, that's not good. What is good? I don't know. So, I don't even know how far I'm in. I just stop recording when I get bored, so, just enjoy the video. We'll talk here and then. If I stop talking, well, that means I just forgot about you guys. It's no offense. Anyway, if you want to, you go sub to a friend of mine, Empty Soul, but he's not as good as me. Let's just say that. Yeah. What's the limes and carrots? It's perfect. What else? I might film once a week, twice a week. It depends how I'm feeling. So, just put these in here. I don't think he should be there. Yeah, get back in there. Yeah. Not much to do. Need to get 250 so I can make the carrot farm. So yeah, might sweep or something. Yeah, okay, that's good. Day 2. Okay, Okay. I'm gonna read this, so I'll just, if I don't talk, it's probably because I'm still reading. Okay, that's nice. Why are they jumping? Plot, give me the plot. Come on. I need the money. I need the money. Okay. Okay, let's go. Get some more money. This might be like a 20 episode series or something like that. Depends how long these episodes go for. They go for like 2 hours or something like that. Damn. I'm good at that, I guess. But, don't. And if we do come across this video, please just not click off. I would like you to watch the video to the end, please. It would be very nice. What did I just do? Fuck. That's not what I was supposed to do. Dumb son. Hey, what's up, in? Goodbye, Hen. Okay, let's get these berries. Okay, that's good. That's nice. Don't know how far in we're recording, but, just check it off when I'm bored. Just watch me just play, I guess. Okay, that's interesting. Actually, I never read one of those. Wait, I never have. Never wanted to anyway. These guys. Just a bunch of plots, I guess. So I'll make some money. Move your slimos. Yeah, plus. Slimes. Having too many would be good, but yeah, who cares, right? No, I'm not gonna kill anyone. I hope not, anyway. Okay, let's put these over here. See if I can make any more cash. Now I have a choice. Carrot farm? Depends how much high walls cost. Save up to 350. I don't have enough here. Okay, let's get some more money. Slime coins, I think that's what they're called anyway. Let's get some slime coins. Yeah, good slime coins. Okay, let's upgrade the walls. It's more important than the slime. Boom. I was. I could catch the ones I've lost. Come on, pink slimes, we're now mine. Yes. Okay. When it hits day 5, I might just stop recording. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but enjoy the video, I guess. Can't do anything else, basically. So I just go to bed. So yeah. Ooh, stomach. Who's that from? Who's that from? Anyway. Okay, let's make it with that. Okay. Let's get some berries. Okay. Come on. I need you guys to make money. What's my money anyway? I don't know what they're actually called. Someone could tell me, that would be great. Anyway, it's kinda, but it's gonna be fun. It's kinda not fun. But, if you guys like it, continue uploading. But if you don't, okay. 1,000 views if you want me to keep on uploading, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, camera phone is gonna be built now. Okay, can't do much, so I'll hit the bed again. I don't even know how long this video is actually gonna be, so next time I'll set a timer. Tell me when to get off or something. Let's get the carrots and fruit. Oh my god. Let's see what I say. Get some more slime. Try to work on the roof, and then I say if I complete this habitat for these pink slimes, I'll get a flying. Get off the game for you guys. So yeah. As soon as I get it off the roof. Give me the plot. Give me the plot. Boom, boom, boom. You come back, okay? No, come on, let's see how much money I make. Okay, come on. Yeah, 200. It's good. Good. I think like the roof is like 400 or something. Yeah, pink slimes, I'm dying. I'm dying, Okay, let's see if this makes it to 4,000. If it doesn't, well, too bad, I guess. I'll explore a little, and then I may head back to my bed. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, so I could do some Minecraft if you guys would like that as well. But obviously, if you guys want slime ranch over Minecraft, you can do that as well if you guys want to. Of the slime ranch, I can just film Minecraft if you want me to. Okay, that's easy. But so I hope you enjoy day, guys. Well, not me. My day's nearly over. I don't know where you guys live, but my time is 7:06 at night, so it's getting late. Well, I've been trying to film other videos, but they haven't been going through, like, on my phone and stuff. I don't have enough storage, so I've testing the app out on this that I'm using. Ooh, rock slime is perfect. Okay. For use the rock slimes. Yeah, let's get some rock slime plots. I could give it to the pink slimes or something. Okay. Vegetables, that's right. Okay, that's nice. Now eating. Collect plots then. I wanted that plot, mate. Oh, no. Years back. Doop doop. Doop 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 doop. Okay, it's not good. I don't really care. I know where to get Stonehenge from. Okay. This is great.